Today I'm going to show you exactly how to see pinned messages in Telegram, whether your group or chat has just one pinned message or several. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to look and how to find important pinned info in any Telegram chat, so you never miss an announcement, set of rules, or an urgent update again. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about single pinned messages. A pinned message is like the sticky note that someone leaves on your fridge. It's something the group admin or another member wants everyone to notice. When someone in your chat or group pins a message, Telegram will help you out by displaying a notification banner right at the top of the screen. This notification will usually include a small excerpt of the message itself, kind of like an invitation saying, "Hey, check this out, it's important." If you see that notification at the top of your Telegram chat, all you need to do is tap on it. Just a single tap, nice and easy. Doing this will instantly jump you to the actual pinned message, no scrolling or searching required. You'll see the highlighted message right in context, and you can read it fully or interact with it as you normally would. Don't worry if you happen to miss the notification at first. Those banners tend to stick around for a bit, and you'll usually find them waiting for you until you tap. It's really designed to make sure you don't overlook anything important. Now, what happens when a chat has more than one pinned message? In busy group chats, admins often pin multiple important updates or guidelines. Telegram handles this really smoothly. At the top of the chat where you'd normally see the single pinned message notification, you'll see a special bar instead. This could look like a small arrow, or it might simply show the number of pinned messages, for example, 3 pinned messages. It's Telegram's way of letting you know there's more to see. To access these multiple pinned messages, simply tap on that bar at the top of your Telegram screen. Depending on the group settings or the version of Telegram you're using, tapping this bar will do one of two things. In some groups, it cycles you through each pinned message, kind of like flipping pages in a book. You tap once, you read the first pinned message, tap again, you move on to the next, and so on. Alternatively, it may open a dedicated page or pop-up showing a list of all the pinned messages for the chat. In this layout, you can quickly scan several important notes without having to scroll endlessly through the chat history. It's a real lifesaver for bigger groups where info can easily get lost among hundreds of messages. Keep in mind, if you don't immediately see the pinned message bar, especially in really active chats, just pause for a moment and look near the very top above the newest messages, but under the group name and profile picture. Sometimes you might need to scroll up a little bit, and if your app isn't displaying pinned messages properly, it might be helpful to update Telegram just to make sure you've got all the latest features. So that's all it takes. Whether there's one important update or a whole thread of reminders, Telegram makes it simple to stay in the loop. You'll never have to worry about missing class schedules, meeting times, rules, or any kind of vital info again. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments below. I always love to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, clear tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.